Children, today I am going to teach you an important portion, that is active and passive voice. So let me get started. An action can be described into two ways, that is active and passive voice. I will give an example. With an example I will explain. I love my mother. So first step is, first we will identify subject, verb and object. Subject here is I. Who does the action? That is subject. And the action performed is verb. And the receiver is, who receives the action is object. So the structure of the sentence is subject plus verb plus object. That is the structure of the sentence in the active voice. And the same sentence I will change into passive voice. So how to do? I will write it. I love my mother. First subject, find it out. After that verb, find it out. Then object. So in the passive voice, object will become the subject. My mother is loved by me. Listen here. In the passive voice, the formula is object plus or helping verb, that is auxiliary verb. Helping verb plus V3 form of the verb plus by plus subject. This is the formula for passive voice. Here subject is I, here verb, and my mother is object. And here it comes, object comes as subject. After that, in the present tense, love, loved, loved. Every verb has three forms. So while making passive voice, we will take, this is verb 1 form, this is verb 2 form, this is verb 3 form. So while making passive voice, we use third verb 3 form of the verb. And according to the formula, you see children, object, subject, verb, object. Object comes first. After that, according to the object, if the object is singular, in the present tense we use is, am, are. Out of this one will be used. Here you see, my mother is singular, only one person. So is used. My mother is loved. After that, next formula, helping verb. Helping verb means auxiliary verbs. So already helping verbs we used. After that, verb 3 form. Every verb has 3 forms. So third one we used. After that, we use preposition by. And then me. And that also some rules are there. I will change into me in the passive voice. He will change into him. She will change into her. They will change into them. We will change into us. So that is why I change into here, active voice, I change into me here. So how I will explain once again how to change active voice into passive voice. First step is identification. Identification means we will identify subject, verb, object. Every sentence. And again one clue, always subject will come before the verb and object will be after the verb. Okay children? And next is swap. Swap means object will come as subject and subject we will push it back. So you see second one, object came here, subject we wrote instead of object. After that, next rule is we will find it out the tense of the verb. How that will be done? You see children, verb laugh. Already I wrote the first form of the verb always in the present tense. So if the verb is in the present tense, is, am, are, out of these three, one will be used according to the object. Here object is my mother. So my mother is came. And next step is third form of the verb. Every verb has three forms and laugh, 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 come, came, come, eat, ate, eaten, rise, rose, risen. So every verb has three forms. And third one in the past, don't forget, third form only will be written in the passive voice. And after that always by. And subject will go last. That subject change I have already written here. I will change into me, he will change into him, she will change into her, they will change into them. Again with some example I will teach you. Another one example. She likes mangoes. Here also first step is identification. Identification is subject, this is subject, this is verb and this is object. Listen here children, first two things we did it already, identification. And now next section is swap. Swap means object will become in the subject place, subject will shift to that place. So here the object is mangoes. Here we used is, but here we won't use is, we will use are. This also simple present tense. How we will come to know that? The tense, see, like, liked, liked. See, in the active voice we use like first form of the verb. So surely it is in the simple present tense. And object become the subject. After that this we will see whether singular or plural. Singular means only one, plural means more than one. So mangoes, you know it is more than one. So mangoes are. Mangoes are. So object plus helping verb means auxiliary verb plus now third form of the verb liked. Mangoes are liked. Next step is using preposition, that is preposition by. Mangoes are liked by, she changed into her, I already explained. Mangoes are liked by her. Example 3. She hates me. Children listen. Here subject my mother only one. So is came. Here subject she. So object mangoes plural. So are is used. Here your first identification do subject verb object. Here object comes me. When object comes me, we will not say me hate she. So me will come I. And again another one rule, with I, though it is singular, we use only am. So I am hate, hated, hated, third form of the verb. By, she will change into her. I am hated by her. So that is all. Suresh repairs cars. This is active voice. Suresh is the doer of the action, and repairs is the verb, cars object. So as you learned earlier, first is identification, subject, verb, object. So object will become the subject. Listen children, object came as the subject in the passive voice, and cars it is plural, so are is used. Repeat for verb, three forms of the verb, preposition by plus Suresh. And children, every sentence has 12 tenses, and but active and passive, we will make passive voice only 8 tenses. This is simple present tense. How you will identify tense? Repair, repeat, repeat. So first form it is, that is why it is simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. I will change the same sentence into present continuous tense. First formula in first video, simple present tense formula you have already learned. So from continuous tense I will teach formula. Suresh is repairing cars. It is present continuous tense. That means an action going on at the time of speaking. How to change it? The formula for that is object plus, in the present tense, is or am, plus verb 3 form plus ing, being, this is the extra one we will add in the continuous tense, being plus by plus subject. This is the formula for present continuous tense. Children listen, first every passive voice we use object first, that the same way we will write cars, and you should listen carefully. Cars means plural, that means more than one, so are will be used. Cars are, after that extra one being will being plus verb 3 form, so after that cars are being, third form of the verb, repaired by Suresh. And next tense is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, an action that has already been completed. Suresh has repaired cars. So the formula for this, object plus has or have plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. This is the formula for present perfect tense. So I will write it. Cars, object will write as a subject. After that, cars means plural. Plural means more than one. So we will use have only, not has. Has will be used with the singular subject. Cars have been. According to the formula I am writing, cars have been, and third form of the verb, always in the passive voice we use third form of the verb only. Cars have been repaired, preposition by plus subject Suresh. And again, fourth tense of the present is present perfect continuous tense. That is, Suresh has been repairing cars. But children, this tense has no voice at all. We cannot change into passive voice. So I will go straight into past tense. So simple past I will go now. Repair, repaired, repaired. In the present tense, always we use the first form with the auxiliary verb in the continuous tense and has, have in the perfect tense. But now we try to went to second form, that is simple past tense. Suresh repaired cars. So that formula is object plus was or were plus verb 3 form plus by plus subject. This is the formula for simple past tense, an action that already done in the past. Suresh repaired cars. Cars will, the same rules always, object will become the subject. Cars is plural, so not was. Plural subject we use always were. Cars were. Then third form of the verb is repaired. Cars were repaired by Suresh. This is simple past tense. Now the same sentence I will change into past continuous tense. Suresh was repairing cars, an action that was continuing in the past tense, that is, and the formula for changing into passive voice is object plus was or were plus being. This is the extra one we add, that don't forget children. Every continuous tense we use this being. So Suresh was repairing cars. So again cars are subject, same method. Again here Suresh is singular, so was is used. But here cars more than one, so were. Cars were being repaired by Suresh. Now past perfect tense, an action that has already been completed in the past. Suresh had repaired cars. Formula for that: object plus had plus been plus verb 3 form plus by plus subject. So I'll change it. cars. And one thing is, in the past perfect tense, no singular or plural. Both singular and plural had only will be used. Cards had been repaired by Suresh. And again one thing, past perfect continuous tense, that is the 8th tense, that also has no passive voice. So we won't make it. And Suresh had been repairing the cars is the past perfect continuous tense. That tense has no voice. I have already explained there are 12 tenses in English. First one is simple present tense, second one is present continuous, third one is present perfect, fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. And the same way, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and again future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. But only 8 tenses have voices to change. And simple present tense we have already done, present continuous, present perfect, these 3 already done. Present perfect continuous has no voice. Then simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect we have already done. Past perfect continuous has no voice. Now we will do simple future. Suresh will repair cars. Rules are same. Object will become the subject. Cars will be repaired by Suresh. Listen the formula. Object plus will or shall or modal auxiliary verb also will be there, plus be plus verb 3 form plus by plus subject. This is the formula for simple future tense. According to the formula, you see object came already, and with the cards singular or plural we will use will plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Now future perfect tense, future continuous tense. So children, future continuous tense means Suresh will be repairing cars. So future continuous tense also has no voice at all. I have already told only 8 tenses have voice. So Suresh will have repaired cars. Future perfect tense. Cars will have been repaired by Suresh. Formula: object plus will have or shall have plus by plus subject. This is the formula for future perfect tense. And next tense is future perfect continuous tense. Suresh will have been repairing cars. So children, I have already told there are only 8 tenses can be changed into passive. And so we have already done 8 tenses: present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. These 4 tenses have no voice at all. So that is all for today. Thank you.